This is Chef Maka Kwon. Welcome to KTA Quick and Ono Recipes, and today we're gonna do Hawaiian style cheesecake. Onolicious. Preheat oven to 350 degrees. Wrap a 9-inch springform pan in foil. Coat the inside of the pan with non-stick vegetable spray. Melt butter in microwave safe bowl. In a small mixing bowl, combine graham cracker crumbs, sugar, add melted butter. Stir to combine. Firmly pack graham cracker crumbs to the bottom of prepared pan. Place cream cheese into large mixing bowl and beat until smooth with handheld or stand mixer. Add 3/4 cup sugar, lemon zest, sour cream, and beat until smooth. Then add eggs one at a time. Beat until smooth after each addition. Pour the batter over crust. Set cheesecake into large roasting pan. Add hot water to roasting pan until it's halfway up the size of cheesecake pan. Carefully place roasting pan in your preheated oven. Bake for 45 to 60 minutes until toothpick comes out clean when poked in the center of cake. Serve with whipped cream, fresh berries, and serve with white wine. For this recipe and more, visit ktasuperstores.com/recipes.